Ford Engine Code P0113 indicates an intake air temperature sensor circuit high input. This means the sensor is reporting excessively high air temperatures, usually above 4.91 volts or minus 40 degrees Celsius for 940 ungefähr. The IAT sensor, often a thermistor, measures the temperature of incoming air. This data is crucial for the engine control module to adjust fuel injection, ignition timing, and air-fuel ratios. In Ford vehicles, it's frequently integrated with the mass airflow sensor. When P0113 appears, it triggers the check engine light, potentially causing rough idling, reduced power, increased emissions, or difficulty starting in cold weather. It's a common issue in older Ford models, especially those from the 1990s to 2020s, like the F-150, Explorer, and Mustang. To diagnose P0113, start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the trouble code. Next, test the IAT sensor's resistance using a multimeter. At 20 degrees Celsius, expect 1,000 to 1,000 ohms. Inspect the wiring for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Clear the code and perform a road test to check if it returns. Common fixes include replacing the faulty IAT sensor, costing about $50 to $100. Clean or repair wiring and seal any intake air leaks. In some cases, update PCM firmware. Average repair time is 1 to 2 hours, with total costs ranging from $100 to $300 for parts and labor. Check for loose connectors and ensure the air filter is clean.